So I'm here with a 2014 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4 liter turbo engine, and I got a code. It was a P0171, and that could be a lot of different things. It's mass airflow and lean bank 1, all this stuff, but basically what that means is it could be a lot of things. Vacuum leak, it could be this sensor here, this mass airflow sensor, could be dirty or bad. There could be air coming in somewhere that it's not supposed to. Anyways, I narrowed it down to this, the PCV. And here, I'll show you. Actually, this makes noise when you run the engine. It makes hissing noise, like a leak. You can hear the leak. I'll turn it on so you can hear it. So I don't know if you can hear it. I can put my finger over it so you can hear it maybe more. It's not supposed to do that. When you put your finger over it, there should be no airflow. So that is what's bad. But the problem is, here, I'll shut the engine off first. Because this is bad, the engine runs rough and it doesn't have a lot of power. This is one of those emission control things, I think, where it brings unused fuel back into the engine. Anyways, you can't just replace this part. You have to replace this whole thing here. So I got one. I went to GM. This is the updated version. It was $81 after tax. Comes with the seal, or the gasket, rubber gasket, and new bolts. So I will be putting that on. I think there's about 13 of those bolts to pull. I will be loosening all of these and taking this straight off. I have to undo this clip here. You just pull this out and it should unsnap, and then I make sure this is out of the way. I think this just snaps off also. It's pretty easy fix, so back to you when I get it done. Okay, I got all these bolts loosened, but I had to take this off. This is where the spark plugs go. These are T30 bits that I had to use to get this off. And it just comes right off. You see the spark plugs are in there. And then I can take the rest of it off. I did take the clip off. The clips into here. That clip there. I'm going to try to clean the surface as much as I can here. But this car is really, I mean, look at that. That's not normal. I knew it had problems, but this is a Chevy Cruze Turbo. Look at that oil caked on there. At least the moving parts don't look too bad, but gosh. Oh well, I'll put it back together. Let's put this new one back on. And I got an air filter too. I'll do that while I'm at it. Should have done the spark plugs, but I can do that. That'll be easy to do without taking all this apart again. Okay, all back together. No noise. Purrs like a kitty again. Now we'll just do the air filter and get the oil changed, and it'll be good to go for a while. Thanks for watching.